Welcome back. We're here in Arizona at Lakeview Lanes and we're bowling the CBE Cactus Classic Open. $10,000 on top. 3 squads. We were bowling the 6 p.m. squad and they take the top 9 off of each squad, and then there's a Desperado at the end to round out the top 32. So that's going to be a 2-game total. The top 5 from that will make it into the bracket, but I'm hoping we don't have to do that because, you know, Desperados are fun and all, but they're not fun to participate in. Got some bowling balls we got to get out of the trunk. Head to the bowling center, get ready to bowl. Alright, so 9 bowlers are gonna make it off this squad. The squad's loaded, but we're part of the loaded part, so it'll be okay. But yeah, Butters is bowling, Stu, Tez, Fitz. We'll be coming back tomorrow though if we make the top 9 on our squad. Hopefully not the Desperado for a top 32 bracket tomorrow. So we get 2 buys and we finish at the top 2. So we're hoping that's the case.
Welcome to this public service announcement. We have been pacing pretty good to give away bowling balls just like this in 2023 if we hit 100,000 subscribers by December 31st, 2022. But we've been slowing down in recent times. Jess and I have crunched the numbers and we won't get there. So we need you to hit the red button if you want us to get there and potentially win one of these 100 bowling balls we're giving away next year. Hit the like button and hit subscribe.
After 2 games, I'm plus 16, and it doesn't feel good or bad. Execution's not very good, slightly above 50%, so we need to kick that up. But aside from that, I think if we get the extra 2 shots a game, we'll be in a good spot. Ball reaction's not supreme, but it's good enough. We've just got to keep plugging away. Well, I forgot to give an update because my brain was turning for the first 4 games. I got to 31 over through 4. and now I'm 158 over, so I found the nuts, and the scores are really low. So we just gotta keep grinding away. I still gotta wait 4 more frames because we got the left lane moving left, the right lane moving right. Some pairs have 1 bowler on the right lane, so it's not working out too well. But let's get a little break. Got to go to the bathroom. Just gotta keep the process good, stay fueled, and close to stay out. We did it. We got our 2 buys. Even cooler, we're the #1 seed for the tournament. Popped off 290 the last game. If I did that the game before, would have made a little extra money in brackets, but you know, it is what it is. It's okay. We still made some money. We can eat tonight. Woo! And it was a good day. Through to phase 2 for pretty much the last 4 or 5 games. I do need to figure out something for the fresh because I was grinding hard. Pair to pair was a little tricky early because it really depended on who did what. And that tends to happen a lot in the long patterns. It's not very straightforward. A lot of people try to hook it too much with too much surface, and I think I had a tough cross. So I'm expecting tomorrow to be a little bit better as far as consistency in pairs. They're 3-game matches, so we're guaranteed to finish in the top 16 with the 2 buys, but obviously we want to win, take this $10,000 home, but more importantly, that's a W for the dynasty. So thanks for watching. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button because we're doing that giveaway still. I don't know if the clip played during the video, but 100K, 100 balls, 2023. We're out.